Hello everyone, today we are making Nigerian native jollof rice. Yes, so this recipe is super healthy because it's made from palm oil, vegetable, everything natural. So these are the ingredients I used. I have rice, washed rice. I have crayfish, iru, maggi cubes. That round stuff is called okpeye. They are all local spice. I have Scotch bonnet pepper. You can reduce the quantity if you don't want yours too spicy. I have the palm oil. I have chopped onions, and of course, dry fish. So in a pot, I'm going to go on to add the palm oil and let it to heat up for some minutes. Then I'm going in with the chopped onions. Give it a very quick stir. After that, I'm going to add the iru and pounded crayfish. Iru is known as locust beans. If you want to buy it from African store, just ask for locust beans. But in Nigeria, we call it iru. That's the local name. And then I've pounded, or rather, blend roughly the Scotch bonnet pepper with some onions. Allow it to fry for some time. Go on to add your seasoning, that's salt and maggi cubes, and of course the dried fish. Then I'm going to add water. You know the rice is just washed. We have to cook it till it's very soft. So I'm going to go in and add the rice right now. Once the rice is in, the next thing is to combine everything so that you can have a uniform taste. Not that one side will be too salted and the other side will have no taste at all. So this part is very important. So when I've mixed everything, I'm going to go on to add more water because the rice is not parboiled rice, so it needs more water for it to get soft. Cover it, allow it to be fully cooked, and then go on to add vegetable. You can add whatever, you can use whatever vegetable of your choice. For me, I use scent leaves. You can use ugu leaves, spinach, kale leaves, your choice. So once I add it, I'm just going to combine everything. Remember, we don't want the vegetable to be too soft or overly cooked. So once I combine everything, mix very well, the rice is soft now. At this stage, it's ready to eat. You can see that this recipe is super easy, very quick. Some people call this concoction rice because it's very easy to make and it's delicious, it's healthy. This rice, if you eat it, if you taste it, it will want to take you back to your village. I'm telling you the truth, because this is how they make jollof in the village. For those people who are not really that exposed to the modern way of making jollof, this is how they make jollof in those days. Tada, you see that yummy rice, you see that lovely color, and I bet me it tastes so good with all the local spice. My goodness. So time to serve our food. Yummy, super delicious. Your Nigerian friend, Nigerian husband, anybody from Nigeria will love this recipe, even Africa at large. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to share and subscribe, and tell me what video you want me to make for you next. Bye.